starts to grind to a halt. Now, this brings us to a really important distinction. You've got two terms here, hypoxemia and hypoxia. Hypoxemia, on the left, that's a problem in the blood. The oxygen level is just low. Think of it like the delivery trucks leaving the warehouse half empty. But the real danger, the true emergency, is hypoxia. That's when the cells themselves are being starved of oxygen. The factory has no power. So you can think of hypoxemia as the flashing warning light on the dashboard, but hypoxia,